It's time for the series finale of the series How Big Countries Got Big. And the finale is the Civil War, the Confederate States of America. Today we are going to explore this fallen country and how it affected the USA. We're going to see how it grew, and then we are going to see its downfall. And then we are also going to see a capital that's similar to the Phineas and Ferb home. Anyway, let's begin. Now, you ought to know that when these first states seceded from the nation, they didn't just join the Confederate States of America. They remained their own countries and then slowly joined together. First state to secede was South Carolina, since they wanted to practice slavery. Mississippi was the second state to secede from the nation. Many other states followed in pursuit. Florida was the third. Then Alabama seceded too. Finally, Georgia did, and then Louisiana. And these were the first states to form the Confederate States of America. When these six states turned into the Confederation, then many other states wanted to join this confederation against the USA. The first state after this was Texas, which was immediately admitted to Confederate States. A splinter government in Missoula, New Mexico Territory then declared the southern half of the territory to be Arizona Territory and seceded from the United States, becoming a self-governing territory owned by nobody. Virginia then seceded from the United States. And that's kind of sad, saying the capital is right over there. Arkansas secedes from the United States, and then Virginia is admitted to Confederate States. Arkansas is admitted to Confederate States, and North Carolina secedes from the United States, which is later admitted. Tennessee secedes from the United States. The capital is moved to Richmond, and Arizona Territory is then admitted to the Confederate States. Then, a splinter government in Nashville, Missouri, declares the state seceded from the United States. This is not true. It's a protest government. The same thing happens with Kentucky. Both of them claim to join the nation, but once again, they're fake governments. Then the government starts making a ton of deals with Native American tribes in the Indian Territory. After the fall of Richmond, the government then flees to Danville. This is what happens when you search up Danville. Which one of these Danvilles is Phineas and Ferb's house? Union troops advancing on Danville, the government then fled to Greensboro. The last meeting of the full Confederate cabinet began in Charlotte. And guess what they decided? End the nation. All the alliances with the Native American nations ended. Arizona Territory is dissolved and goes back into New Mexico Territory. Missouri and Kentucky become states immediately, as the splinter governments were in control, not the actual governments. West Virginia seceded from Virginia in 1863 and thus was admitted statehood. Every single other state was put under military occupation and then were slowly readmitted into Congress. And that's all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe, and I will see you next time.